Welcome to our channel. If you need to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy phone to resolve issues or prepare it for sale, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Before resetting, back up your important data to Samsung Cloud, Google Drive, or your computer. Step 2. Open the Settings app on your Samsung phone by tapping the gear icon in the app drawer or notification panel. Step 3. Scroll down and tap General Management in the Settings menu. Step 4. Tap Reset to view all reset options available for your device. Step 5. Tap Factory Data Reset to begin the process of erasing all data from your phone. Step 6. Review the list of accounts and data that will be removed, then scroll to the bottom. Step 7. Tap Reset at the bottom of the screen to proceed with the factory reset. Step 8. If you have a screen lock enabled, enter your PIN, pattern, or password when prompted. Step 9. Tap Delete All to confirm the factory reset. The process will begin immediately. Step 10. Wait for the reset to complete. Your phone will restart and display the welcome screen, indicating it's been reset to factory settings. Step 11. If you're keeping the phone, you can now set it up as a new device or restore from your backup. Step 12. If you're unable to access settings, you can perform a hard reset by powering off and holding volume up plus power buttons until the recovery menu appears. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.